Hello dear subscribers, hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. According to a tradition in Hawaii, a woman who wears a flower behind her left ear is signaling she is married, taken or not up for a relationship. Company creates portable fish tank called the Katsugyo bag so you can take your pet fish on the go with you. The world's lightest material is graphene aerogel. The biggest family in the world lives in India. Psychology says that boys want beautiful girls for themselves while girls want boys who have money and who can fulfill their dreams. Buddha's hair is not actually hair but 108 snails that gave up their lives to cover his head so that he do not suffer heat stroke while meditating under the scorching sun. Heath Ledger locked himself in a hotel room for a month to prepare for his iconic role as the Joker in The Dark Knight. In 2013, PayPal accidentally deposited $92 quadrillion into a random account and briefly made Chris Reynolds the richest person in the world. Famous voice behind Google Maps is of Karen Jacobson, who is an Australian-born and New York-based entertainer, motivational speaker, voiceover artist and songwriter. Coast Capture Air Company will give you fresh air of beach pack in a bottle for Rs 7,500. Mumbai Indians logo has razor because the team was gonna be named Mumbai Razors. The world's largest natural bridge is discovered by Google Maps. The bridge is also called Ferry Bridge. A pet python of a woman named Ashley Gloey, who lives in the US state of Oregon, was stuck in the ear hole while trying to get through that hole. The Basenji dog is the only dog which cannot bark. It's not a Photoshop, amazing book folding art by D. Hinckley. He only used second-hand books to make them, never cut pages. German man accidentally orders 28 Tesla cars worth $1.58 million online. Kazakhstan women awarded by silver or gold medal for giving birth to more than 6 or 7 babies, and country honors them with the title of heroine mothers or hero mothers. The fear of seeing a beautiful girl is called calligynophobia. Are you also scared of seeing beautiful girls? The average woman smiles about 62 times a day. A man only 8. Kids laugh around 400 times a day. Adults just 15 times. In Amsterdam, there is a gym where you can train naked. A man from Japan was arrested for having 35 girlfriends at the same time. He did this to receive expensive birthday gifts on different days throughout the year. Japan is working on developing a special technology that allows homes to rise above ground enough to protect the home in case of earthquakes. There are 1,77,147 ways to knot a tie. Sony launched a new powerful AC of Rs 9,000 that you can wear inside your shirt that works up to 20 hours on a single charge. Geologist Barbara Sherwood found the oldest water on Earth from a Canadian mine which is about 1.6 billion years old. Singapore means lion city, but there were no lions by nature ever lived in Singapore. After a 20-minute helicopter ride over New York City, Stephen Wilshire, an autistic artist, was able to draw the New York skyline from his memory with just a pen. In 2011, a 46-year-old man traced a 13-year-old kid and attacked him because the kid had killed him too many times in the Call of Duty. Albert Einstein was once offered to become the president of Israel in 1952. Einstein declined. South Korea used to have actual fashion police who would go around measuring the length of the women's miniskirts. Saudi Prince Al-Walid owns a diamond-encrusted Mercedes rupees 312 crore and he charged rupees 1 lakh just to touch it. Couture Beauty Diamond Lipstick is the most expensive lipstick in the world. It sells for $14 million each. Ethiopia, the country that follows a 13-month calendar and is 7 years behind the rest of the world. Graphics interchange format. QR quick response. The symbol of the on-off button is often seen on a TV remote on another device. Mobile phone throwing is an official sport in Finland which is even sponsored by phone recycling companies. Human-shaped high-voltage power lines in Iceland. DP display picture. In Japan, 90% of mobile phones are waterproof because youngsters use them even in the shower. Thanks for watching.